Hi there, it's Trisha here from Passive Income Today, and I'm really excited to share these 6 ideas that I have with you how to make money online in 2024. These ideas are ones that I have not shared before, and I think that you're going to find them interesting so long as you have a secure Wi Fi and a laptop or a computer to work from. Any of these ideas that I'm about to present to you are really possible. And the best thing of it all is that you don't need to have extraordinary talents or be a great tech person. You can do this with the tools that I'm about to show you that are available right now. AI. You've heard a lot about it, artificial intelligence. Everyone's talking about AI, and it's very likely if you're watching this channel and you're watching this video, you've heard of ChatGPT or Google Bard. But did you know there are thousands of AI tools available on the market right now? I'm not here to sell you any AI tools, but I'm more here to share with you some ideas that you may like to look at to make money online. In this step by step guide, I'm going to reveal to you some of the most promising work from home websites and a toolbox of AI instruments that you can access to help you earn anywhere from $250 to $500 a day. And the beauty of this whole thing is that you don't need to have any special talents, be trained in anything. You don't even need to have extraordinary skills. You just need to be sensible, follow your gut instinct, and use the tools that are available to do the heavy lifting for you. Hi, and you don't need to stop. No experience or extraordinary abilities are required. Everything I'm sharing with you today is accessible worldwide, and you won't need to invest in any pricey coaching programs. I'm Trisha from Passive Income Today. Let's dive into the world of making money online effortlessly. Whether you want to travel the world and get paid, or work from home, support your family, or simply keep yourself busy during retirement, these 6 websites you can apply for remote jobs, live and work anywhere. The first step is to check out these websites, so grab a piece of paper and a pen and take some notes as we go through. I'll also leave a link below in the comments in the description of the websites where you can go and do some more research on your own. The first website is called ytjobs.co. This platform is a goldmine for tasks related to YouTube creators. From crafting scripts to video editing and audio work, you can lend a hand to content creators, including the most famous Mr. Beast. The kicker? You won't need to be a pro, as I'm about to introduce you to an AI tool that's going to do all the heavy lifting. This is a picture from ytjobs.co, so you'll know you've landed on the right page. The next one is studypool.com. This platform offers a lucrative opportunity to earn money by completing assignments and answering queries. You have the potential to pocket up to $7,500 a month as a tutor, and you'll find that specific skills won't be a roadblock when you follow the techniques I reveal later in this guide. 99designs.com. You can dive into design contests on this platform, ranging from logos to product labels. These contests could earn you anywhere from $1,000 to several $1,000s for your creative contributions. And even if you're not a design whiz, there is an AI powered workaround tool just for you. DesignCrowd.com. With numerous design gigs, especially in logo design, paying anywhere from $150 to $1,150, you'll have plenty of opportunities. And surprisingly, the competition is really low, making it easy to get in and get a chance. Fiverr.com. This is an excellent platform also. It's a platform that I've used many times over the years, and I've met some really great freelancers through this. This is a platform that you can sell various services, and you can do things like voiceovers, editing, reviewing, providing feedback, all different types of jobs. And I'll reveal to you the tools that you can use. Respondent.io. You can do some research studies from different companies through this platform, and some are paying over $500 an hour. In the next few sections, I'm going to introduce you to some of the AI tools you might like to consider. Some of the companies that are using Respondent IO to find people to do research are IBM, Microsoft, GoDaddy, Dropbox, SendGrid, and Intuit. It's an excellent website, and if you're someone who enjoys spending time researching, I reckon this is a really good, strong opportunity, and you can do it in your own time. Step two, you need to find an AI tool that's going to help you, but you don't need to go blindly and you don't need to go to Google because I found one website that has listed more than 2,000 different types of tools. And all you need to do is select the category you want and it'll show you the options that are available. Futuretools.io. So if you're traveling anywhere in the world, you can get access to this platform. You can discover a wide variety of AI tools that you can use to make money online in 2024. And if your mission is to make money, travel, and have financial independence, you are going to love this. When you go to futuretools.io, you will land on a page that looks like this. It's the landing page with the hero image, and it will ask you to choose any number of categories. So if you go to any of the previous websites and you are deciding to freelance for a job or put your name down for research, you can use one of these tools to help you. So all you need to do is type in what you want or select from one of the popular categories below here. And Future Tools IO will take you through and show you some options. It's always good to read the reviews and to try the sample if they allow you to do it with a trial run before you go in and pay for it. I'm not selling anything, I'm just giving you some ideas. So, for instance, if you want to find the right AI tool and you're not quite sure what to do, and you want to do something around logo design, there's plenty of options. These AI tools will empower you to tackle the big, heavy lifting, difficult tasks and make it really quick. Or if you want to be a writer and write content, you'll be able to find different tools on this platform to help your content rank better for SEO and also to make content more interesting. Often, this type of content is really expensive for companies to pay someone to do, and you can do it really efficiently and add your final touches after you've used artificial intelligence. AI can generate articles for you, and these can be offered to clients, ensuring a steady stream of income without needing specialized skills. Okay, this is an extra one that you may not have considered, and I don't think many people have heard of yet. It's a bit of a secret, and it's TikTok Creativity Program. If you're on TikTok and you like TikTok and you know how to use it and you've got some good traction so far, you can create a TikTok creative, you can have a TikTok creativity login and you can make money online. This particular tool is in the beta phase, but it allows you to earn money through views and you can use AI to craft new content without being on camera. While it may take some time to get going, it's entirely possible to monetize your existing TikTok presence. If you go to TikTok Creativity Program, if you Google it, you'll find it and you'll be able to go in and have a look and get some more information. How to make money online in 2024. There are multiple avenues that exist for earning money online without the need for specialized skills, and you won't have to shell out money for pricey courses to get you started. I trust that you've got some really good insights from this very short presentation and tutorial, and that there are some new horizons waiting for you to conquer. If you found this information helpful, please leave a thumbs up and show your appreciation by hitting the like and subscribe button below. Thank you, and I hope you have an excellent weekend.